door open. Wait, what? Oh, hey! Long time no see. I'm organizing the collection. Oh, yeah. About organizing my collection. I had to move. So this is a perfectly good, this is going to be the comic book room. It's still a bit of a mess, but I'm in the process of organizing. Yeah, I know. This is not new, the idea of me organizing my comic books, but let me explain. Just give me a moment. So last time I did a video like this, I was in a different space and I had everything organized, ready to go, and I was going to start alphabetizing the books because some of the boxes weren't alphabetized. They were just, I threw the comic books in there and that was it. Well, I was ready to start alphabetizing and then I found out I had to move. That was not fun. It was not fun. As you can see, I haven't fully organized some of this, so that is the next step, is I'm starting by getting all the comic books alphabetized, and I'm doing that. Also, along with doing that, I'm also cataloging them in an app called the CLZ app. I'll put a link to that in the description. It's a great app that helps you, like you can just, coolest thing is if the comic book, like say this one, it has a barcode, I can scan the barcode. It'll show up on the system what the comic book is, when it came out, and if it's a key issue or anything else like that. And that way I can have them in a catalog. And then if I like to say I want to look and see what comic books am I missing from a run of comic books that I want that are back issues or something, I can look at that. When I go to like a comic book store or to a comic book convention, I can just look at that and then look and see what they have. And if they have it, I will buy it. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So all of these boxes have been cataloged. These 3 boxes have been cataloged. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 behind this mess and some behind there that I still need to catalog. But as I'm cataloging, I'm also seeing what books I do not want to keep. Like I'm just like, I didn't want this. I don't need this. I'm just gonna get rid of it. And so that's what I'm doing. The coolest thing is I can actually catalog my trade paperbacks too. I actually already got rid of a bunch of my trade paperbacks. I went from having maybe like, gosh, somewhere near 100 trade paperbacks, maybe more, down to about 50 trade paperbacks, because they're ones I read. I liked them. They were interesting, but I was like, I don't think I want to keep these. I don't think I want to hold on to these. So that's one of the things I've been doing too. So getting rid of comic books and trade paperbacks I want. Trying to figure out how I want to sell them, because there's lots of ways you can sell comic books. There's apps like Whatnot and Hit Comics, and just doing it on YouTube or on Instagram or something. So yeah. But let me show you another part of the house that I've created for with my comic book stuff. So I decided to theme certain areas of my apartment. So this area of my apartment, which is the dining room, I've made it a Disney theme. So let me show you. So here's the Disney Funkos and my hat I wear to Disney. And then here's this really cool print I got, or it's actually a picture that's like a map of all the lands from the different Disneylands or Disney parks, and as if they were all in one place. Here's my gummy bears ones. And then these are all my happy birthday pins I've gotten over the years at Disneyland. And then I made sure to have a curtain that was Disney themed or Mickey themed. And then I have this by Russ Richards Arts. This is cool because he glows in the dark. It's really cool. And then over there is Sleeping Beauty's castle with Sleeping Beauty and Mickey in his band uniform. And then there's the Haunted Mansion. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just cataloging the books and deciding what to keep and what to not keep. So I sort of wanted to show you what happens or what it looks like when I use the app. Here's the here's the app. And this is just all my books that I have so far cataloged. You can see what number I'm at right there. That is a 20. Oh yeah, that's the other thing that's changed in my life. I have to wear reading glasses. 2,758 so far that I've cataloged, and that includes trade paperbacks and hardcovers as well as all my floppies. So what I do is I just take a comic book, and I'll show you. It's like this one. This one has a barcode on it. And then what I can do is Is I will press the plus button and it brings up the barcode, and then I take it and I put it on the barcode, and then it scans it, and then it shows up there. And this is one I've already scanned in because the issue number is in blue. If it was gray, that means it's one I haven't done. The cool thing is I can just press on that and then come over here and it shows everything about it and what its key issue is. And what makes this a key issue is the death of someone named Achilles. And it shows the release date, the cover date, all the information of the creators and the characters that are in it. And then I just hit add to collection. And when I hit that, it brings up this. And I can preset some of this. So all I have to do is press add to collection. Since I already have this in the collection, I'm not gonna do it, but I would also check this to choose the store. So these are the stores I've bought stuff from or the cons I've been at. So I don't remember if I bought this one, where I bought this one, but I think it's in one of these lists. So that's how that app works. It's really great. There's lots of things where it has statistical data showing you like all sorts of things having to do with the comic book and your collection. And I love it. So I'm glad I started using the app. I've known about it for a few years, but I just kept putting off using it. But I'm glad I'm getting stuff into it. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a short vlog. That's about it that I'm gonna share this time. But I got more coming. There's a cosplay video I have, an interview to do of cosplayers, some more comic book stuff, related stuff I'm gonna do, and some cons that I'm gonna hopefully be going to soon, because those are starting back up. But thanks for watching, and at the end of this video, you'll see a link to all the other videos having to do with my collecting of my comic books and my organizing of them, so you can go ahead and watch that. And if you already aren't subscribed, please, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get more. You can see more, and you'll be seeing it first. You won't have to like search for it or wait for it to show up on your recommendation page. So, all right, well, that's it. And then remember, always remember, comic books are for everyone. All right. Bye.